Okay, good morning. Welcome to
Fun Math number 192.
FunMath number 192. So yesterday we were doing the working through the old AMC8, and actually problem number 1 caused me to realize you need to review factors just a little bit. So let's do a quick factor review. How many factors of 120, positive factors of 120, I should have written, are multiples of 5? Okay, so what does it mean to be a factor, a positive factor?
It means that you go into 120 a number of times.
Okay.
So we've got...
Here.
That black isn't too good.
Let's remember to just throw this one out. So you've got 120.
We can go 1 and 120, 2 and 60, 3 and 40, 4 and 30, and there's going to be a lot more.
When you say there's going to be a lot more, what are you saying? Are you saying you're going to keep going, or are you going to do something else?
Well, 120, it's 12 times 10.
Yeah.
Which is...
Right over here.
It's 12 times 10, which is, it's 2 cubed times 3 times 5 times 3 squared. Wait, just 3. 2 cubed times 3 times 5.
Okay, so you got a 4 from the 12 and a 2 from the 10. You got a 3 from the 12. Okay. All right.
So to make it a multiple of 5, we have to include this one.
All right, so we have to include the 5.
So we could do 5 times 3 times either 2 to the 0, 2 to the 1, 2 squared, or 2 cubed.
Okay.
It's 4. Or we can do without the 3, which would add another 4.
Okay.
So I think it's 8.
You think it's 8. Okay. Why don't you keep going with your chart here and see if we can write down all 8 of them. So what comes next? 5 times?
It's 5 times, well, it's 5 times 8 times 3, or 24.
5 times 24. 6 times?
6, you have to make the times. No, it's 6 times 20.
All right. 7 go into 120?
No.
8?
Yes, 8 times 15.
8 times 15. Does 9 go into 120?
No.
Does 10 go into 120?
Yes, 10 times 12.
Does 11 go into 120?
No.
Okay, and now we have them all, because once you get back to a number you already had, so why don't we circle
10.
the multiples of 5?
And 5 in this column.
Okay.
Then 20, 15, 30, 40, 60, and then 20.
All right, how many do you have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, very good. So you found 2 different ways of doing it. Now, I would suggest when you're circling your multiples that you just go down and around. So you make sure you get them all.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, but that's fine. You can either write out the factors, or you can actually factor it into primes and see the different ways to do it too. Either way is fine. Good job. Good job.